Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Arshi, and I am in Delhi. And Delhi is always so much fun. So I thought of vlogging it. Also, there's another vlog coming up on my channel, which is the Goa vlog. So many Goa recommendations for you all. So make sure you watch that video. And please like, share, and comment. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm at my friend's place and she's out for some work. I just cleaned her place. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, traveling is something which I've loved so much because there's so much to explore and learn about, but taking care of yourself while traveling is also important, and something which has endured a lot of pain during this time of my travel is definitely my hair. Oh my god, too much of color and constantly traveling in dryness and heat tends to make my hair so sweaty and undernourished, leading to constant hair fall. I was honestly confused with so many options available in the market, and I realized the importance of researching and giving my hair expert level cellular care and viola. That's when I came across the all new Dove hair therapy breakage repair range. Dude, this range reduces hair fall up to 98% from the very first wash. Wow, can you believe it? It's just mind-blowing. With regular usage, I have experienced up to 98% hair fall reduction. Best part about this range and the shampoo is that there are no sulfates, no parabens or dyes in it, which makes it absolutely gentle while giving expert care. I didn't want to take a shower ASAP because I'm very dirty and I need to wash my hair, which looks so dry and they break me so much. So I need to take care of them as well. First, I use the Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair Leave-On Solution that helps restore the strength in my hair. Next up, we have the Dove Breakage Repair Shampoo that repairs weak hair prone to breakage and falling, giving your hair the expert care it deserves. This strengthening shampoo blends all the care of Dove you know and love. Last but not the least, I use this Breakage Repair Conditioner with its moisturizing portion that revives hair, making it healthy and strong. The Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair range with Nutri-Lock serum gives care at hair cellular level and boosts hair strength, helping your hair look thicker, stronger and healthier. With regular usage, I've experienced up to 98% less hair fall and started feeling great about my hair, about how thick, strong and healthy my hair feels. The best part about Dove is that they are cruelty-free hair care, that is, Dove does not test on animals, and this range also carries the PETA cruelty-free logo. So guys, you have to click on the link and try the new Dove Hair Therapy range. Use my coupon code Dove Hair Care for an additional 10% discount on Nykaa. Remember fam, to give your hair expert level cellular care powered by skin science from root to tip with Dove. Now let's go and get my nails done. Oh, did I tell you that I was gonna go to get my nails done? I'm going to the Mall of India because I want to get my nails done after such a long time, and I'll show you guys what I get them changed to. Got my nails done from the Nail Doll Rituals, which is in Mall of India, and I'm going to the Museum of Illusions, which is in CP. Wow, this is Shaurya, my friend.
Hi guys, हम लोग भ्रम का संग्रहालय जा रहे हैं. It's in CTC block or
A block.
A block.
It's in A block.
It's in A block.
And it's called Museum of Illusions. It's not.
It's
Brahm ka Sangralaya.
Yeah, I just googled it. यही है क्या?
No, we're trying to find it. We're at CP right now.
हमारे बच्चे
This
नीचे पड़
guy
जाते हैं.
doesn't know CP में A block का है, B block का है, C block का है.
क्या है?
कुछ भी नहीं पता है तुमको.
तुम्हें तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है. जम्मू
मुझे
गैंग है
सब पता है.
तुम्हारी.
जम्मू
ये
गैंग
दिल्ली
क्या
गैंग
होता
को
है?
सब पता है.
तुम दिल्ली गैंग हो भी नहीं, तुम लुधियाना गैंग हो.
मैं लुधियाना गैंग नहीं हूँ, मैं इंडिया गैंग हूँ. Let's go.
Shaurya, are you excited? Very excited. How excited? ब्रह्म के संग्रहालय में आपका स्वागत है. Oh, that you tilted. Oh.
गांधी जी जैसा थोड़े क्रीपी हो रहा है. This is just like my mind, endless.
Yes, sure. Do it. Do the jump. Huh? Wow. हाँ हाँ अरे भैया आ रहे कटा हुआ आ रहे
भैया कट गए हैं
और
मुझे उधर जाना.
wow looks really nice. क्या
भैया एक बार में बहुत सारे चीजें साफ कर रहे हैं. देखो 3 दिन में अपने आप को साफ कर रहे हो. जाओ जाओ. Oh no! Finally, just what I wanted.
ooh
Don't look at me, you creepy man. Harry Potter.
we are going to the campus right now. We just came out of the museum. Shaurya, where are we going?
Vishwavidyalaya.
Say it loud.
Vishwavidyalaya.
Go metro to Vishwavidyalaya because of course save money and time.
Best ever. Mayonnaise is the best.
No, you can't have momos with mayonnaise. What are you saying?
Momos with mayonnaise जो लोग नहीं खाते ना, they're uncultured.
Try and let me know how's it. We're having campus ke momos and I don't know how's. Sure, it's gonna be very spicy, so I think you should put the white wala chutney more.
Very good.
Are you liking the campus?
It's nice.
It's nice. We went to Kamlanagar North Campus. We actually went to meet my younger sister. She is taking admission in Miranda House. That is my college. And then we went to have laughing, which is my favorite thing in the campus. You also get in Kamlanagar, guys. If you stay there, I'm just letting you know. This is one of the best things you can have in Delhi. And you can make it spicy according to your needs, according to your spice tolerance. Both of these guys are like, हम खा लेंगे spice, so मैंने इतनी spice दिलवा दी. नहीं, I have. It's very spicy. अरे
क्या यार, इसकी जगह देख के मुझे डर लग रहा है. अगर मैंने खा लिया तो आई एम तो डेड. बट मैं किसी से डरता नहीं हूँ.
Don't have it. Oh God. Oh my God.
Yes.
I told you it's very spicy. Hero banna tha. But it's the best. Then I went to Noida to see my best friends Akash, Ayush. Ayush was not there actually, and Aditya, and this is Shaurya. Shaurya was also there. And after that, we went back home, and that's how I stopped vlogging. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. Bye. Take care. Love you.